Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. At the moment, my daughter is studying politics at A-level, and yesterday she had to give a presentation to her group. She'd put quite a lot of work into getting this ready and was looking forward to it. So I was a bit surprised when she came home after school yesterday looking a bit despondent. When I asked her what was up, she said that she thought the presentation had gone really well, but her tutor gave her some feedback that she wasn't very pleased with. My daughter's immediate reaction was very human and very understandable. She got annoyed with the person giving her the feedback. As someone who's done a lot of public speaking myself over the years, eventually, once she calmed down, I managed to sit her down and tell her that it was important to listen to what the tutor was saying, even if you don't want to hear the feedback. Sometimes you need to just accept that other people maybe know a bit more about things than you do. You need to basically take it on the chin and take the feedback on board. You probably think about on board being connected to planes or boats, where you board the plane or you board the boat. But if you take ideas or information on board, you understand them and you accept them. So for companies, obviously, you need to take customer feedback on board. You need to listen to it, understand it, and act upon it. As a parent, sometimes when I'm talking to my own children, I tell them maybe what I would do in their situation, or I give them some thoughts on what maybe they might want to do. And then usually I say something like, listen, I know that you're basically going to make up your own mind yourself, but do try and take my advice on board a little bit, if you can. And sometimes the phrase is also used as a polite, business-like way of saying, thank you for giving me information, but I'm not really going to do anything with it. So someone might chip in with some ideas during a business meeting, and you might say, yeah, great, thanks for that. We'll take that on board. That can mean we'll listen to it and think about it, or it can sometimes just mean, yeah, we're not going to listen to any of that, but we're too polite to tell you that, so we're going to use this convenient phrase to get rid of you here. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use take things on board.